Feeling sluggish? We all need energy to get through our busy days. Work, school, family, and friends. They all take energy. What if you could have delicious energy anytime you need it? Good news! You can! With this super smoothie recipe, you can power up your day and feel amazing. This isn't just any smoothie. This is a delicious blend of natural ingredients, chosen for their amazing energy-boosting powers. Get ready to feel the difference. Let's get blending! Ready to gather your energy squad? Here's what you need for one delicious smoothie. 1 ripe banana, fresh or frozen, 1 cup spinach, fresh or frozen, half a cup frozen berries, like blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, 1 tablespoon almond butter, half a teaspoon chia seeds, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, or any milk you prefer. That's it, simple, right? Now let's learn why these ingredients are so special. Each ingredient in this smoothie is a superstar in its own right. Let's break it down and see what makes each one so special and beneficial for your health. Bananas provide natural sweetness and are packed with potassium, an electrolyte that helps your muscles function properly. They also contain vitamin B6, which is crucial for brain health and can help improve your mood. The fiber in bananas aids digestion, making them a perfect addition to any smoothie. Spinach, don't let its color fool you, is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, including iron, which is essential for energy production. It's also rich in vitamin K, which is important for bone health, and vitamin A, which supports your immune system and vision. Adding spinach to your smoothie boosts its nutritional value without altering the taste significantly. Berries, bursting with antioxidants, help fight off free radicals that can damage your cells and make you feel tired. They are also high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps keep you feeling full longer. The natural sweetness of berries can enhance the flavor of your smoothie, making it a delicious and healthy treat. Almond butter, this creamy delight, is packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, keeping you feeling full and satisfied, so your energy levels stay stable. It's also a good source of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. The protein in almond butter supports muscle repair and growth, making it an excellent addition to your post-workout smoothie. Chia seeds, tiny but mighty, are packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, providing sustained energy release. They also contain calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are important for bone health. When soaked, chia seeds form a gel-like consistency that can help thicken your smoothie and add a unique texture. Almond milk provides a creamy base for your smoothie and is a good source of calcium and vitamin E. It's a great alternative to dairy milk for those who are lactose intolerant or following a plant-based diet. The mild flavor of almond milk complements the other ingredients in your smoothie, making it a versatile and nutritious choice. Section 4. Blend your way to energy step-by-step guide. Time to get blending. Follow these simple steps. First, gather all your ingredients. Next, add all ingredients to your blender. Then, blend on high speed until smooth and creamy. This usually takes about 30 seconds to a minute. Finally, pour into your favorite glass or to-go cup and enjoy. See? Easy peasy. Section 5. Smoothie Supercharge Tips and Tricks. Welcome to our guide on how to take your smoothie game to the next level. Whether you're a smoothie novice or a blending pro, these tips and tricks will help you customize your drink to suit your taste and nutritional needs. Want to customize your smoothie even more? The beauty of smoothies is their versatility. You can mix and match ingredients to create a drink that's perfect for you. Let's dive into some creative ideas to enhance your smoothie experience. Here are a few ideas. First, consider the base of your smoothie. While water and milk are common choices, you can also use coconut water, almond milk, or even green tea for a unique twist. Each base brings its own flavor and nutritional benefits. Add a boost of protein by stirring in a scoop of your favorite protein powder after blending. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, making it a great addition, especially if you enjoy smoothies post-workout. Get your greens by trying a handful of kale or romaine lettuce along with the spinach. Leafy greens are packed with vitamins and minerals, and they blend seamlessly into your smoothie, adding a nutritional punch without altering the taste too much. For a tropical twist, swap the berries for a tropical blend like mango and pineapple. These fruits not only add a burst of sweetness, but also provide a good dose of vitamin C and other antioxidants. For extra fiber, add a tablespoon of ground flaxseed or hemp seeds. Fiber is crucial for digestive health and can help keep you feeling full longer. Plus, these seeds add a nice texture to your smoothie. And if you have a sweet tooth, you can satisfy it by adding a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. Natural sweeteners like these can enhance the flavor without the need for refined sugars. Remember, the best smoothie is the one you enjoy the most, so feel free to experiment and make it your own. Don't be afraid to try new ingredients and combinations. The possibilities are endless, and the journey to finding your perfect smoothie is half the fun. Happy blending! Section 6. Beyond the blender, energy habits for life. In this section, we will explore various habits that can help you maintain high energy levels throughout your day and life. It's not just about what you consume, but also about how you live your life. While this smoothie is a fantastic way to boost your energy, remember that a healthy lifestyle is key for sustained energy levels. Incorporating a variety of healthy habits into your daily routine can make a significant difference in how you feel and perform. Here are a few tips to help you get started on your journey to a more energetic life. These tips are simple yet effective and can be easily integrated into your daily routine. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Water is essential for maintaining your body's functions and keeping you alert and energized. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and more if you're physically active. Prioritize sleep by aiming for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Good sleep is crucial for your body to repair and rejuvenate itself. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and make your sleeping environment as comfortable as possible. Move your body by engaging in regular physical activity, even if it's just a brisk walk. Exercise helps to increase your energy levels, improve your mood, and boost your overall health. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your daily routine. Manage stress by finding healthy ways to cope with it, such as meditation or spending time in nature. Chronic stress can drain your energy and negatively impact your health. Take time each day to relax and unwind and find activities that help you feel calm and centered. And eat a balanced diet by focusing on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. A nutritious diet provides your body with the essential vitamins and minerals it needs to function optimally. Plan your meals ahead of time and make healthy eating a priority. Additionally, consider keeping a journal to track your energy levels and habits. Writing down your goals and progress can help you stay motivated and identify patterns that affect your energy. Positive affirmations and gratitude journaling can also boost your mental well-being. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of social connections. Spending time with friends and loved ones can provide emotional support and increase your overall happiness, which in turn can boost your energy levels. Make time for social activities and nurture your relationships. By incorporating these habits into your daily life, you can create a foundation for sustained energy and well-being. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements over time. Start today and take the first step towards a more energetic and fulfilling life. Section 7. Embrace the energy. You've got this. By incorporating this delicious smoothie and healthy habits into your routine, you'll be well on your way to feeling energized and ready to take on the day. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Now go out there and shine.